Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a really exciting one because it is something I've never ever done before, but I've been watching a ton of these videos and got really excited about it. So as you guys can probably see from the title, I am doing my first ever project pan, which is so exciting. I'm going to explain a little bit about what it is. I'm going to go through the products that I picked today, show you my starting points, and then we'll go from there. I, as you guys probably know, really love filming empties videos because I love finishing products, determining my opinion about those products. But I also really like empties videos because I really like moving through my collection. I spend, you know, probably too much money on beauty products, but I just like, it's a passion of mine. I really love it. And so I feel like accomplished, I guess, when I finish something. And this project pan, I've been watching a lot of them, is a way to really focus and hone in on a certain group of products and work on finishing them. And it seems like from everyone that I've watched, like it's super exciting when you hit pan or if you finish a product that you decided that you were going to work on. So with all of that being said, I'm going to explain what project panning is. And it's different for everyone, so this is just my take on it. But basically, you start off by picking a certain group of products, which I'm going to go through in a little bit, and that could be, you know, 20 products or it could be like 3. I think I'm towards the lower end. I only have 7 products. But basically, the goal is to either hit pan on a product or to completely finish a product. And then once you finish it, you can either roll something new into the project and start working on that, or you could just go until you finish all the products that you originally picked. My plan is to do a rolling one, so I'm going to work on the products that I have, the 7 products here. If I finish one or I hit pan on something, I might take it out and replace it with something else. So that's my game plan for this. And why do we do project pans? Like I said earlier, I spend, you know, a decent amount of money on all of this stuff, and there are times when I just let something sit in my collection for way too long and then I don't use it. And to me, that's a big waste of money. So what I want to do is focus on things that are older, I've had for a lot longer, that I still like, and I want to use them up, go through them, so then I can start using the things that I've spent more money on more recently. And I think, you know, part of it is people are like, well, why would you ever want to finish a product? You know, then you can have it and you can have a bigger collection. But for me, it's the same reason why I love empties videos. I like completely using it to form an opinion on it, to be able to share it with you guys, but also it is just super satisfying to me. And I've explained this before, but it's like why I love laundry. It's because like there's a certain process of how things go. It's the same thing, like you find something, you buy it, you finish it, you recycle it. Like I just love that process. It's like really satisfying to me. It's probably one of the reasons why I watch and like love to film cleaning videos. It's just like one of those things. I don't know. But I started watching all these project panning videos, and I'll link some of the YouTubers below that have filmed these, and I've like learned a lot about them through them. But I started watching all these project panning videos. You know, they do ones with eyeshadows, which I'm planning on doing as well, so stay tuned for that. But it's just like super satisfying to watch them like slowly complete stuff throughout the whole year. And so that's why I was like, yeah, I kind of already do this like on my own, but now I'm gonna start documenting it for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy that. But I'm gonna do updates on a monthly basis and show you how far I have gotten in the product. I also have my kitchen scale here. So you guys might be wondering why I have my kitchen scale here, and that is really to give us an accurate measurement, hopefully. I haven't ever used this for this product, but hopefully an accurate measurement of the amount of product that I've used over the course of the month. You're able to tell really easily with things like lipsticks because you can measure the difference in length, or if you hit pan on a powder, you can see like how much bigger the pan's getting. But for something like in a spray bottle that's not opaque, so you can't see through it to see the spray, it's really difficult. A lot of people just guess and line their bottles. I don't particularly want to do that. I don't want to mark up something that I'm using because I still display all of my stuff. So I'm going to attempt to measure everything on the scale. Hopefully I have like the smallest amount, so like if I'm only using a little bit, it'll still go down. But I mean, if the weight doesn't change, then it means that I really haven't used the product. So that is my game plan there. And then for things like lipsticks and stuff, I'll probably just take pictures and have them in the same place so you guys can see the difference. So with all that being said, I hope you guys are excited for this series. This is the first update, and we're going to be getting into everything. So I'm going to show you guys what I will be working on in this Project Pan 2020 right now. So the first thing is this Avon eyeliner. It is a wooden eyeliner that I have had for years. It is an amazing eyeliner. I've clearly used it a lot, but I have purchased recently a bunch of other eyeliners, and so then I stopped using this, and I'm like, what the heck, this shouldn't just be, like, this much eyeliner shouldn't just be sitting in my collection. I should just take the time to finish it up. So this is something I think hopefully I will make some good progress on, because it is something I can just quickly throw in my waterline or something, even for work, because I'm definitely wearing a lot more makeup to work than I used to, just because I've like been re-inspired with makeup again. So I'm like, I have all of this, why am I not wearing it? So I think I could definitely make some progress on that. The next thing is this e.l.f. Baked Blush. It's actually a highlighter in the shade Pinktastic. I've had this for years. This is a great drugstore highlighter, but all of like e.l.f.'s products come on this little mound, and so I feel like there's a ton of product in here. So I've been using it quite regularly for a while, and I feel like I haven't really made a dent. So I'm really going to start focusing on it in this project. And there's a couple things that you can do with powders. So I could go forward and try and completely finish this, or because I haven't hit pan, I can just go until I hit pan. So my goal for this project, oh my God, I keep saying my goal for this product. My goal for this project is any powder product that doesn't have pan, my goal is to hit pan, and then any, which you'll see, powder product that I have already hit pan on, my goal is to completely finish. So if that makes sense, if it starts without pan, I just want to hit pan. If it starts with pan, I want to finish it. Another thing that I have not hit pan on is this Kat Von D Lock It Powder Foundation. And I found this at Marshall's or TJ Maxx, and I haven't really made much of a dent using it. It's something that I kind of swirl on lightly before work. It comes with a sponge, but I feel like that really cakes it on way too heavy. It's way too much product for me for work still. So I just kind of like lightly swirl it on. So I've been like very casually using this, so I'd like to kind of work through it and finish it up, because it's just not something it's something I like but I don't love, and so I'd like to finish it so I can move on to something that I like more. I also have this Urban Decay B6 Vitamin Fused Complexion Prep Spray. There's very little left in here, so I'm hoping that I will finish this before the next update, but I've had this forever. This came as like a sample, and like I'd use it occasionally here and use it occasionally there. It's really just like a prep spray or a primer spray, but I've had it forever, and it's something that I do like, and I just like want to use it up and like move it out of my collection though, because it's time. So there's like very little left in here, so I'm really hoping by next month's update, and that's my dog barking if you can hear him, I'm really hoping by next month's update that I will have finished this. So the next two items are from this palette, and the first one is this eyeshadow from Makeup Geek. This is in the shade Creme Brulee. As you can probably see, I have hit pan on this, so my goal for this eyeshadow is to finish it. I really like this eyeshadow. It's the perfect like crease shade, and I've been using it for a long time, so I just want to finish it up so I can roll some other shades similar to this into my collection and try them out. And then I have another product from Makeup Geek, and this is the blush in the shade Romance. I really like this. This is like a NARS Orgasm dupe, but I feel like I've been using it for a really long time, and I just really haven't made the dent in it that I want to. So I think by focusing on it in this project that I'm really going to get through this and make some really good progress. So my goal for this one is to hit pan. And last but certainly not least, I have a ColourPop lippy stick. This is in the shade Bound, and just to roll it up, this is how much I have left. So I have a decent amount left on this, but it's definitely, I've definitely made some progress since I've had this, but I've also had this for a really long time, and it's an easy shade to wear. It's just because I have so many lip products, I don't ever really like, I pull it out like probably once a month. So I'm going to definitely spend some time focusing on this. I have a couple other lippy sticks that I want to finish as well, so I'm hoping to finish this and then roll those into this project. So that is the goal on that. So those are the 7 products that I'm going to be using and working through in this Project Pan. I hope you guys are just as excited as I am to see what progress I make and what products I can finish over the course of the next year, because I'm hoping to finish these and move on other products into this Project Pan and get through those as well. So it'd be really cool at the end to just see everything that I've finished. I hope you guys are excited. I hope this video and all of these videos provide you the same level of satisfaction that they provide me. And with all of that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, or if you're excited to see my first update. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.